Welcome to the Department Orientation Session 2020. This video has been prepared by the faculty members of Statistics Group, Department of Mathematics and Statistics. The audience for this video are expected to be new PG and UG students, and the aim of this video is to introduce the research interest of the faculty in the Statistics Group, which should help the students to plan their choices of research projects. So we're now going to discuss a topic-wise list for all these topics of research interests of the faculty. So in this topic-wise list, for each topic, the concerned faculty has been mentioned. If you require more information, please contact the corresponding faculty. We start here. Bayesian computation for intractable likelihoods. This requires developing sampling algorithms for when the likelihood is only available in the form of the integral. Concerned faculty is Professor Dutika Bhatts. Bayesian variable selection in linear and nonlinear models in the non-parametric setting. This has theoretical and computational challenges while dealing with a large number of potential predictors or regressors in the linear model setting. Variable selection consistency of general regression functions in the nonlinear models. Concerned faculty is Professor Minerva Mukhopadhyay. Bootstrap in regression, debiased lasso, and in non-parametric location models, the problems are development of bootstrap perturbations and improvement of error rates. Concerned faculty here is Professor Debraj Das. Censoring schemes, development of new schemes and studying their efficiency. Concerned faculty for this topic are Professor Sharmistha Mitra and Professor Debashish Kundu. Econometric modeling and data mining in finance. This requires use of techniques from machine learning, pattern recognition, statistics, databases, and visualization to address the issue of information extraction from large databases and to help in strategic planning, investment, risk management, and other decision-making goals. Concerned faculty for this topic are Professor Amit Mitra and Professor Sharmistha Mitra. Estimation of entropies in molecular sciences, specifically in chemical and biological processes. This requires handling a large number of correlated internal molecular coordinates, and the problems are optimality of proposed estimator. Concerned faculty here is Professor Neeraj Mishra. Estimation in restricted parameter space. This requires optimality of proposed and standard, which could be natural estimators when the parameters are subject to certain order restrictions. Concerned faculty for this topic is Professor Neeraj Mishra. Goodness of fit problems. This requires how to measure goodness of fit in models other than the standard linear regression model. For example, in measurement error models, restricted measurement error models, instrumental variable models, non-parametric regression models under measurement errors. Concerned faculty is Professor Shalav. High dimensional Edgeworth expansions. Understanding of error rates in higher dimensions. Concerned faculty for this topic are Professor Supriyo Bhatt and Professor Debraj Das. High dimension, low sample size problems. This requires development of distribution-free test procedures for such problems. Concerned faculty for this topic is Professor Minerva Mukhopadhyay. Inference based on data depth. This requires development of robust classification methods, classification of high dimension, low sample size data, and robust multivariate regression. Concerned faculty is Professor Shubhajit Dutt. Bayesian density estimation and manifold approximation. This requires estimating densities supported near a lower dimensional nonlinear subspace, which are useful for data concentrated near a lower dimensional manifold. Concerned faculty for this topic is Professor Minerva Mukhopadhyay. Live testing models under various schemes. This requires failure time data in accelerated live testing, and these are used to estimate parameters of lifetime distributions under normal operating conditions. Methodologies involved are Bayesian or non-Bayesian estimation procedures. Concerned faculty for this topic are Professor Sharmistha Mitra and Professor Debashish Kundu. Measurement error models. The problems require use of ratio and regression methods of estimation from sampling theory. Concerned faculty for this topic is Professor Shalav. Non-parametric and robust statistical methods. Problems are efficiency and robustness properties of various estimators and efficacies of the test based on these estimators. Concerned faculty for this topic is Professor Shubhra Shankar Dhar. Output analysis for Markov chain Monte Carlo, MCMC. This requires assessing the quality of data coming out of Markov chain Monte Carlo algorithm and obtaining estimators of variance of Monte Carlo averages. Concerned faculty for this topic is Professor Dutika Bhatt. Shrinkage and ridge estimation. Estimation of regression parameters in the presence of problems of multi-collinearity and measurement errors. Concerned faculty for this topic is Professor Shalab. Software development for MCMC. This requires building R libraries to be used by the general Bayesian community in a way that is automated and transparent. This requires both computational and statistical skills. Concerned faculty for this topic is Professor Dutika Bhatt. Statistical modeling and variable selection in the data from environmental science. For this topic, the concerned faculty are Professor Shalav and Professor Shubhra Shankar Dhar. Next topic is statistical signal processing. These problems require development of algorithms to find efficient estimators of unknown parameters and to estimate frequencies in various sinusoidal models. Exploration of theoretical properties of different estimators are also considered. Concerned faculty for this topic are Professors Amit Mitra and Professor Debashish Kundu. Stochastic optimization methods. This requires studying the effects of Markov chains in stochastic gradient-based algorithms for optimizations and developing new methods for this purpose. Concerned faculty for this topic is Professor Dutika Bhatt. Stochastic PDEs in the space of temporal distributions and related finite dimensional realizations. This is to study evolution of a system of particles, which might include interactions between the particles, and the techniques are used to describe here are measure valued or distribution valued processes. Here we also represent the solutions in terms of finite dimensional processes. Concerned faculty for this topic is Dr. Supriya Bhar. Stochastic PDEs and its applications to finance and PDEs. Obtaining stochastic representations of relative PDEs such as forward equations, study stochastic perturbations of PDEs such as conservation laws, applications to interest rate models in finance. Concerned faculty is Professor Supriya Bhar. Robust estimation in nonlinear models. Computations of M estimators and study of their asymptotic theoretical properties. This also requires asymptotic consistency properties in different models. Concerned faculty for this topic are Professor Amit Mitra, Professor Sharmistha Mitra, and Professor Debashish Kundu. Theory of stochastic orders and its applications in reliability theory and survival analysis. This requires allocations of redundant components in a system in order to optimize its lifetime or some other performance characteristic. Concerned faculty for this topic is Professor Neeraj Mishra. These are all the topics that presently the faculty of statistics group are interested in. Thank you for listening. If you are interested in a specific topic, please get in touch with the concerned faculty. Goodbye.
Welcome to Department Orientation Session 2020. This video has been prepared by faculties of Discrete Mathematics and Algebra Group of Department of Mathematics and Statistics, IIT Kanpur. Aim of this video is to introduce research interest of faculty in the Discrete Mathematics and Algebra Group, which should help the undergraduate and postgraduate students to plan their choices of research projects. Next, we discuss research interest of faculties in Discrete Mathematics and Algebra Group. Here we have also mentioned the name of faculty concerned. For more information, students are encouraged to consult the corresponding faculties. Discrete Mathematics and Algebra Group has currently 15 members. Professor Mahua Banerjee and Professor Ashutosh Kumar works in set theory and related areas. Professor Mahua Banerjee works in rough set theory and its applications and model logic. Professor Ashutosh Kumar has interest in mathematical logic, set theory and its applications to analysis. Professor Arijit Ganguly works in Diophantine approximation, dynamical system and random walks. There are three faculties working in number theory, namely Professor Somnath Jha, Professor Saurabh Kumar Singh and Professor Sudhanshu Sekhar. Work of Professor Somnath Jha and Professor Sudhanshu Sekhar also include arithmetic geometry. Professor Saurabh Kumar Singh primarily work in analytic number theory. There are currently 6 faculty members in group working in representation theory and related areas. Professor Santosh Patnaik, Professor Santosh Nadimpalli, Professor Sachin Sarma, Professor Prina Samuel, Professor Pooja Singla, and Professor Amit Kuber. Professor Nandini Neelakanthan has research interest in topological combinatorics. Professor Arvind Lal has research interest in coding theory and linear algebra. Professor Alok Kumar Mallu has research interest in commutative algebra. Next, we discuss in detail the research interest of some of the faculties in Discrete Mathematics and Algebra Group. The primary research interest of Professor Nandini Neelakanthan is topological combinatorics, wherein she is largely motivated by questions arising from graph theory. For example, one problem which is especially interesting is to obtain good lower bounds for the chromatic numbers of graphs. To do so, she uses techniques from topology and combinatorics. Currently, her research interests are also moving in the direction of commutative algebra. She is studying the graph ideals associated with graphs in an attempt to understand the topological space that arises from the underlying graph. She is also studying graph complexes associated to threshold and chordal graphs. Some of the simplicial complexes, for example, the independence complex, are especially interesting and have nice properties. She is also studying the connectivity of matching complexes of some graphs and chessboard complexes. Next, we discuss the research work of Professor Amit Kuber. Say that pairs A1, A2 and B1, B2 of n cross n matrices are simultaneously similar if there is an invertible matrix P such that Bi equals to P inverse AIP for I equals to 1, 2. The problem of classification of pairs of matrices up to simultaneous similarity is closely related to the problem of classifying the representations of certain Quivers. A quiver Q is directed graph that may contain parallel arrows and loops. A representation of a quiver is a diagram formed by replacing the vertices of Q by vector spaces and arrows by linear maps. More generally, one also studies simultaneous similarity of R tuples. For R less than equals to 3, they are called finite representation types. These are easy to understand. Next level is to consider R equals to 4. These are called tame representation types. The 4 subspace problem solved by Gelfand, Ponomarev in 70s was instrumental in development of the subject area in its early days. Professor Amit Kuber is currently interested in study of certain classes of tame representation type algebras, including string algebras. Professor Preerna Samuel's research involves two aspects, structure theory and the other invariant theory. In first aspect, her main interest is to understand the structure of certain classes of algebraic groups, either arising as automorphism groups or those with additional condition, or more generally to the class of group schemes over arbitrary basis. Such study naturally leads to understanding various other structures more systematically, like that of homogeneous spaces or homogeneous bundles, etc. The other aspect is more representation theoretic in nature, involving finding combinatorially interesting bases for certain invariant theoretic spaces associated to classical algebraic groups. Such bases lead to various modular representation theoretic consequences as well, and more optimal generating set for various invariant rings. She is also deeply interested in conjugacy classes in algebraic groups through a representation theoretic perspective. Next, we discuss the research interest of Professor Pooja Singla. In mathematics, one way to study various objects and sets is by understanding their symmetries. The set of all these symmetries has an algebraic structure called a group. Her current research area is the representation theory of groups, where her primary focus is on understanding groups through their actions on linear spaces. Determining the representations of various groups is still open and constitute the area's major unresolved questions. The problems that she have worked on mainly in the last few years involve understanding complex representations of linear groups over local rings, such as Z mod P to the power kz and rings of the kind FPT modulo T to the power k, where FPT is a polynomial ring over a finite field. The answer to these problems for k equals to 1 are known since the 1950s. However, the problem get much harder for k greater than or equals to 2 and are very much a work in progress. Till 2016, Professor Arvind Lal was trying to understand different structural properties of graphs by understanding the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of associated matrices. For example, let G equals to V comma E be graph with number of elements in V equals to n. Then he has widely studied the following two associated matrices: the adjacency matrix AG and the Laplacian matrix LG. One of the first results in algebraic graph theory is the Kirchhoff's law, or the matrix tree theorem. This states that if LG is the Laplacian matrix of G, then all its cofactors are equal and its value is equal to the number of spanning trees in G. It is known that if lambda 1 is greater than or equals to lambda 2 is greater than or equals to lambda n, this lambda 2 is greater than or equals to up to lambda n are the eigenvalues of LG, then lambda n equals to 0 and lambda n minus 1 is not 0, if and only if G is connected. Presently, Professor Arvind Lal is trying to learn the structure of graphs by representing adjacency among vertices using ideals in polynomial rings, and then study the associated independence complex and the neighborhood complex. Professor Santosh Nadampalli is interested in various forms of representation theory of algebraic groups and its intersection with number theory. Classically, representation theory aims to realize abstract groups as matrix groups. For instance, the group of quaternion defined by the presentation Q equals to 1, I, j, k with relation I square equals to j square equals to k square equals to ijk can be realized as certain matrices given here. These matrices gives a concrete realization of abstract group Q. Representation theory then grew into many parts by mathematics and now an essential language to formulate many questions arising in number theory, and to unite seemingly different parts of mathematics such as harmonic analysis and number theory. He studied Professor Santosh Nadampalli studied different kind of representations of groups of the type GLN of K, SON of K, where K is locally compact fields like field of real numbers, or QP, the field of periodic numbers. His questions are often motivated by number theory. He mostly focused on the case where K equals to QP, and in this case, he is interested in smooth representations, and they are usually infinite dimensional representations. He is interested in understanding various invariants associated to them. Professor Somnath Jha worked in number theory and arithmetic geometry. The basic objects of his study are elliptic curves and modular forms. Other than being a central object of study in number theory, elliptic curves are also used in cryptography and cybersecurity. The study of modular forms can be traced back to work of Ramanujan. Modular forms are also used in theoretical physics and in particular in string theory. Broad area of research of Professor Sudhanshu Sekhar are number theory and arithmetic geometry. More specifically, main topic of his research are arithmetic of elliptic curves and modular forms. Currently, he is working on problems related to special values of L functions of modular forms and elliptic curves, Galois representations, and congruences between modular forms. Professor Saurabh Kumar Singh worked in the area of analytic number theory, subconvexity problems, sieve methods. Some subconvexity problems are related to Lindorff hypothesis, which is a consequence of Riemann hypothesis. His work is basically based on application of circle method and delta symbols to prove a subconvexity bond and also the distribution of prime numbers. Thank you for your attention.
Welcome to the department orientation session. In this presentation, we are going to describe the research areas and topic in which the faculty members of analysis group of Department of Mathematics and Statistics are working. The first topic is homological methods and algebraic structures. It mostly deals with algebraic method in order to study certain invariants like homology or cohomology for larger class of space, including space with singularities. It deals with study of pair of an associate algebra and a Lie algebra along with certain module structures. This yields a local study of general solution spaces of polynomial equations on certain types of differential equations as well. The concerned faculty is Ashish Mandal. Knot theory. The research work is in knot theory and its application. This includes the study of Amphic reality
the study of closed braid and the Knots polynomial, especially the Jones polynomial. The concerned faculty is Aparna Dhar. Non-commutative geometry, it is a branch of mathematics concerned with a geometric approach to non-commutative algebra and with the construction of the spaces that are locally presented by non-commutative algebras of functions in some generalized space sense. The main motivation is to extend the commutative duality between space and function to the non-commutative setting. The concerned faculty is Satyajit Guin. Homotopy theory. Homotopy theory is a study of mathematical objects, maps between them, and the notion of homotopy between maps. The key aspect is that in such homotopic theoretical context, the concept of isomorphism is relaxed to that of homotopy equivalence. There are different kinds of homotopy: stable homotopy, rational homotopy, equivariant homotopy, A1 homotopy. The concerned faculty is Debashish Sen. Operator theory. The interest in this area, as represented by our department, is along the following two directions. In one direction, the research area falls into function theoretical and graph theoretical operator theory. It addresses the questions of polynomial approximation and characterization of multiplier for given functions of analytic functions in one and several variables. These function spaces are naturally associated with discrete structures like discrete trees, or more generally, Cartesian product of directed tree. The concerned faculty is Professor Samir Chavan. The underlying theme of the second part of the research involves solvability of certain operator equations in appropriate contexts and investigation of modest generalization of the numerical range of an operator to gain new insight about the operator. The study of these are motivated by some open problems in operator theory. The concerned faculty is Professor Shasmita Patnaik. Banach space theory. The key areas of research are the following: approximation theory in infinite dimensional space with special emphasis on classical spaces, isomorphic theory of separable Banach spaces, saturation and decomposition. The concerned faculty is Professor Shanmugh Raj. Harmonic analysis on Euclidean space. Lie groups and abstract harmonic analysis are represented in the department. In the Euclidean setup, the theory of multiplier, in particular bilinear multipliers, combinatorial harmonic analysis, and weighted boundness of operators are major thrust area in the department. In Lie group, the focus is on convolution operator. Problems related to integral geometry on semisimple and nilpotent Lie groups are also being studied. In abstract harmonic analysis, the emphasis is on Banach algebra techniques and operator spaces. Concerned faculties are Professor Parashar Mohanty and Professor Rama Ramath. Mapping class group and hyperbolic geometry. The work in this area involves relatively hyperbolic groups and Cannon-Thurston maps between relative hyperbolic boundaries, moduli space of hyperbolic surfaces, systolic topology and geometry, topological graph theory. Mapping class groups are also studied. Concerned faculties are Professor Abhijit Pal and Professor Bidyut Sankhi. Manifolds and characteristic classes. The research area includes study of algebraic invariants like homology, cohomology, K-theory of certain topological spaces. Concerned faculty is Ajay Singh Thakur. Homogeneous dynamic random walks and applications to number theory. In a dynamical system, one mainly interested in the long-term behavior of the orbits, and the study of orbit does have strong connection with other seemingly different areas, for example, number theory. The research area involves the study of dynamics in homogeneous spaces, random walks, and using them to deduce number theoretical consequences. The concerned faculty is Professor Arjit Ganguly. So these were the research topics and area. So I request that if you want to know something, some more in more details, please contact the concerned faculties. Thank you for your attention.
Hello and welcome everyone to the Department Orientation Session 2020 of the Applied Group, Department of Mathematics and Statistics, IIT Kanpur. Research areas: mathematical theory, modeling data, computation and applications are different facets of core research and teaching of the Applied Group. We focus on theoretical topics such as Sobolev spaces and applications, functionals and fractional order differential equations, partial differential equations with special emphasis on the elliptic type, non-local PDEs, control of PDEs, singularly perturbed PDEs, homogenization of PDEs, dynamical systems, finite element analysis, wavelet analysis, approximation theory, numerical, linear algebra, stability of dynamical system and fluid flows, etc. On the computational front, we expertise on state-of-art numerical methods of differential equations and integral equations. Our group members have expertise on spectral methods, finite element methods, wavelet methods, finite difference method, finite volume method, boundary integral method, parallel scientific computational methods, machine learning approach, etc. On the application front, we look at problems from bioconvection, biomechanics, cardiovascular flows, cardiac electric activity, image processing, neural networks, financial mathematics, fluid dynamics, industrial mathematics, pattern formation, epidemiology, acoustic wave scattering, electromagnetic wave scattering, etc. Group members have several national and international collaborations. Organization of national, international conferences, webinars are common features that brings a vibrant work atmosphere among the group. The name of the faculties that are involved in this group are Professor Akash Anand, Professor Dhirendra Bahuguna, Professor Kaushik Bal, Professor Malay Banerjee, Professor Pravir Dutt, Professor B.V. Ratish Kumar, Professor T. Muthu Kumar, Professor Prosenjit Roy, and Professor Shokti Gharai. So please visit our departmental web page for further information and detailed curriculum will be available in the web page of the Maths Department of IIT Kanpur. So thank you.